Friends, Running Kimono here. So, oh my gosh, we have a lot going on over at Walgreens, including money makers, freebies, cheapies, you name it. I've looked at a bunch of different deals using the booster of 5 back when you spend 15, and we're going to talk about how you can possibly get one of those this morning. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful if you could like the video. It really helps me out to ensure that this video doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. If you could take a second and like the video, I would be so grateful. We have a coupon code for a free 8x10 print over at Walgreens. If you use the code JOLLY8X10 exactly as pictured, you can get one free 8x10. It's one per account. And guess what? That 5 back when you spend 15 is still printing Sunday morning, Sunday, November the 17th. So, I mean, it's going to cost you nothing to roll the dice on this. Order this through the app and then drive to the store and pick it up. And I would ask, hey, is that machine working? So if this gorgeous thing is printing out, you can do a bunch of different deals and you have your boosters. You don't have to pay 39 cents per print. Make that happen, and it's quite fantastic. At the very end of the video, I think I have like 4 or 5 different transactions showing how to use this properly and how to get some stuff basically for free. Okay, first deal we're going to talk about, and this one is a glitch, meaning they can pull it at any time, but this promotion is printing twice. You're getting 2 register rewards, which is fantastic. So for this one, they are $3.50 a pop. Buy 2 to get back a $3 register reward, but that $3 register reward is printing twice. We have this digital coupon to load, which is a 3 off a 2. Make sure you have it loaded for this little dealio. Just a very straightforward deal. 2 of these brushes is $7 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $4, and then you're going to get back 2 register rewards, so $6 back. It makes it free and a $2 money maker. I would run on this one on Sunday because they're probably going to fix it in their system when people catch on of what's going on at head office. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you're just going to like go to the store and do this one transaction, by all means. But I have another transaction that is just as good for another freebie. Next little dealio, you're going to be grabbing the Garnier Fructis, this little bottle with the screw top, and it is a leave-in conditioner. You need to track down 3 of them. This digital coupon is applying to said product, but only this product, so it is a little bit confusing. So that's why you need to find 3 of them, and I would get to the store quickly, guys, because this one is just so fantastic when we get free hair care. So this is just a very basic deal. 3 of those is $12. Subtracting that 10 off 3 digital coupon, you're going to pay $2. Get back a $3 register reward, making this free and a $1 money maker. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but what a spectacular deal. And you know what? If you have that other 3 off 2 digital, I would deactivate it or take it off of your account in case that smaller coupon comes off instead of the big mama. And any deal with register rewards is done in store only. Let's remember that, class. The next deal that we're going to look at is with the Garnier, either the shampoos or these stylers. This is a different deal than the first one. But if you were going to do the 2 together, you'd have to do 2 separate transactions because that $3 register reward will only print once per transaction, even if you grab 5. Hopefully you're following what I'm saying. We're going to load this guy, which is a 3 off a 2, this digital coupon, and this is just a very basic deal. 2 of these shampoos or stylers is $8. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And what is a booster? That paper thing that I showed you earlier in the video. Spend 15, get back 5. That's your booster. Let's take a quick little break and talk about clearance. Lots of food, especially like little protein bars, items in that pantry aisle with the cereal, up to, huge percentage off, so you might want to walk down that aisle. And then at 90% off is a lot of the electronics, cell phone chargers, ink for your computer. If any of this stuff might interest you, 90% off is exceptionally steep savings, like $2.39 for this printer ink, like wow. And then lots of little cables for your smartphone, cell phone, that sort of thing. You might want to check that out as well. And then to my surprise, I found one of these Olay skincares at also 90% off. Unfortunately, there was no digital coupon to go with. I would have picked it up if not. But $2.69 for this product, that's almost $26.99. It's part of the summer line, and I have no idea why it was cleared out now. I wish it was a couple weeks ago when I had higher value coupons, but such is life. Look for clearance high and low. The next deal we're going to look at is this. There's a $3 digital. I actually have two different digitals that's applying to this, so I theoretically could grab two of them, and they would be 79 cents each. And yeah, it's applying. So, I mean, if you want to get a travel size Advil, 79 cents is not a bad price point. And then we also have the Palmolive at $2.99, a sales price. We have a dollar digital that's applying. So it drops our friend down to $1.99. I know a lot of people are not happy with the new formula of the Dawn dish soap, so possibly, try Palmolive. That green one is not bad, along with the antibacterial, the orange one, both fantastic. The TRESemme is $6 this week, $2 register reward when you buy two. Check your fetch rewards if you might have like a spend 15, get back 2 or whatever. I had a spend 20, get back 5, so I need to buy a lot. We have this, which is a 5 off of 2. It showed up this morning, a really nice digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of these, it's 12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay 7. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per shampoo. And check your fetch rebate app, photograph that receipt, whatever you might get. And if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can in fact use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Okay, so for the balance of the video, I have several little $15 baskets prepared for you. And we're utilizing this guy, which came from, getting one photo, getting this guy back, which is a 5 back when you spend 15. So for this transaction, we're going to grab 2 of the stylers for $8. Alternatively, if you want to grab 2 shampoos, go for it. We're going to load this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. That other curling thing, very hard to track down around here. Like most stores only had 1. And then we're going to grab 2 of our best friends, which is 2 of the Oral-B brushes. Now, if only one of the $3 register rewards is printing, it's still a money maker. And we're going to load this guy, which is a 3 off of 2. So this is just a very straightforward deal, guys. We have 2 of the Garnier Fructis for 8, 2 of the Oral-B brushes for 7, for a total of 15 on the nose. Get the cashier to scan your booster, which is 5 back when you spend 15. We have $6 of digital coupons melting off. So with your debit card, pay $9. Or $9 cash, whatever you want to do. You're getting back $5 Walgreens cash for that booster, and then $9 in register rewards, 6 for the Oral-B, the glitch in the other one. So it makes it free and a $5 money maker. Now, alternatively, if only it's not glitching anymore and you're only getting back $6, it's going to be free and a $2 money maker. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or it's going to mess everything up as you're using a spend booster. Okay, so again, an alternative deal using this in case that first one you're like, I have so much toothpaste and stuff in my stockpile, I don't want to do this deal. This is just an alternative deal. So we're going to have this guy, which is the 5 back when you spend 15. And these are the items that we're going to grab. We're going to grab a can of this Lysol air sanitizer for $7.49. And look at the promotion. It's spend 15, get back a $3 register reward. We're going to load its best friend, which is this $3 off. It's a very generous coupon. And then Airwick has this little kit, which is the actual that scent thing that sprays the oils and then the little oil. So it's like a kit with both items for $12.49. And then we have this $6 digital, which is also exceptionally generous. Very straightforward deal for you guys. One of each is $19.98. Ask the cashier to scan your booster, which is 5 back when you spend 15. You have $9 in digitals melting off, 6 for Airwick and 3 for Lysol. With your debit card, you're paying $10.98, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash for that booster, plus a $3 register reward for spending 15, making it $2.98 for the 2. Let's not forget, do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using a spend booster, which is spend 15, get back 5. Okay, so this next deal, I actually used my booster, plus I had a $3 register reward, which is a manufacturer one, so you can use it on this transaction. And I think it was for a Colgate deal a couple weeks back, so I did use it for this transaction. Hey guys, so this is what we're doing. We're grabbing two different Tide products at $12.99 a pop. The promotion is to buy two to get back a $4 register reward. So one pod and one liquid. Now, a couple weeks back, we had $3 digitals for both items. Hopefully you loaded them and this is what they look like. And I also threw in a manufacturer register reward from a couple weeks back. It was expiring today, so I definitely had to use it. Two of those Tides is $25.98. I got the cashier to scan my 5 back when you spend 15 booster, $6 in digitals melting off. So with my debit card, $19.98, $4 register reward, $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $10.98 for the two. And it's basically like BOGO free on these products. And remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. For the math, I didn't factor in my extra $3 register reward. I just showed that and talked about it in case you have extras that you want to throw in. It really throws some people off. So this is just the basic math if you're going to do this deal straightforward. On the same promotion of buy two, get a $4 register reward, we have this $3 that's attaching to various dryer sheets and various Downy products. So if you don't like Tide Pods, just an alternative item, you need two to get the $4 register reward. The next deal that we're going to look at is for some shaving goods. We're going to need our best friend again, which is a 5 back when you spend 15. And so for this one, we're going to grab one of the men's razors for $9.99. Spend 20, get back a $10 register reward. That is pretty generous. We're going to load this $4 coupon, and yes, it is attaching. The second product that we're going to grab to get us past that $20 threshold is a $14.99 refill on the Chic Intuition, and hopefully you have the shaving the wand or whatever it is that to attach with this, and we have a $4 digital that's attaching with this product. So looking at this, two of those shaving goods is $24.98. Get the cashier to scan your booster, which is a 5 back when you spend 15. $8 in digitals melting off. $16.98 pay with your debit card. Getting back $5 in Walgreens cash and a $10 register reward, making it $1.98 for the two, or 99 cents per product. That's extreme couponing. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash as you're doing several spend boosters and deals in this one. Before I take off into the big sunset, guys, the Dollar General clearance event is continuing till the 21st of November, so next Thursday or this coming Thursday. I know a lot of you are scoring big on penny items, or even looking in your clearance section or looking in the regular section and scoring big. I show 100 plus diverse penny items and various deals. If you want to check it out, I will link the video right here. I think it's a clearance event that's definitely worth your time. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.